Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best music toys is probably one of the most exciting ways to spark a child's passion for music. In this video, we're diving into the world of musical instruments and toys perfect for kids aged 8 to 12. From electronic keyboards to drum sets, we'll explore a range of options that can enhance their creativity, coordination, and cognitive skills, making learning music a fun and engaging experience. Number 5. Memory Building Company. Unicorn Musical Jewelry Box. This musical jewelry box from the Memory Building Company features a classic design that has delighted children for generations. It comes in a charming unicorn design. The box offers a spacious storage for your little one's treasures. It measures 7.3 by 5.1 by 4 inches, perfect for storing accessories. The box has 2 compartments to keep everything neat and organized. The main section features a keepsakes holder, ring holder, pop-up figurine and dainty mirror. This jewelry box plays somewhere over the rainbow. High-quality, child safety-tested MDF wood is used in its construction. The smooth, glossy finish offers durability and charm. The mechanical movement generates music without batteries. You wind up the mechanism with a key on the back to play the gentle melody. Its timeless design makes it easy for little fingers to use. The fabric lining protects your child's treasures. The sturdy clasp keeps the lid securely closed. This timeless storage box is the perfect bedroom accessory and makes an excellent present for any special occasion. The smooth exterior finish is easy to clean. The Memory Building Company has specially designed this music jewelry box for children ages 6 and up, with rounded corners and materials that meet safety standards. It provides peace of mind for parents. What we like? This jewelry box is a timeless keepsake with a built-in musical feature. It plays a gentle melody, perfect for sparking imagination. If you are looking for a special gift for a young child that combines functionality with sentimental value, you should consider this. What people say. The design is absolutely enchanting, featuring a beautiful pastel color palette and a lovely unicorn motif that captures the magic perfectly. The craftsmanship is impressive. The box is sturdy and well-made, ensuring it will last for years to come. Inside, there are multiple compartments that are perfectly sized for her little treasures, rings, bracelets, and even some of her favorite hair accessories. Number 4. SUNLIN Dance Mat for Girls, Fun and Active Play. Get ready to move and groove with this amazing dance mat. It's designed for girls aged 3 to 10 and promises hours of fun and active play. Made with heavy-duty, non-toxic materials, this dance mat is built to last. It's also easy to clean and has a non-slip bottom for safe dancing. With 7 different game modes and 9 built-in songs, there's always something new to try. The mat features adjustable volume and 5 challenge levels to keep things interesting. This dance mat is easy to fold and store, making it perfect for any space. Take it with you for indoor or outdoor fun, wherever you go. Looking for a great gift? This dance mat is perfect for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion. It encourages physical activity and is sure to bring a smile to her face. What we like? This dance mat offers multiple game modes and built-in songs, encouraging physical activity and hand-eye coordination. It's also easy to store and portable, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor fun. If you like a fun and engaging way to get your kids moving, you should consider this. What people say. The lights and music make it really fun, and the different levels keep them challenged. It's easy to set up, folds away when they're done, and the volume control is a lifesaver for parents. Fun for kids, sound quality is perfect, good quality functionality is perfect, value for money and sturdiness is really good. Number 3. VTech Kidi Star DJ Mixer. Get ready to mix and jam. This awesome DJ mixer lets you create your own music with a turntable and tons of sound combinations. It's perfect for aspiring DJs. With over 2,000 sound combinations, the possibilities are endless. You can create custom sound effects and mix them into your favorite songs. It's super fun. Save your music samples and add light effects to make your DJ party even more dazzling. You can share your creations with friends and family. They will love it. Connect to your music playlist via Bluetooth or an audio cable. Play your mashups through the built-in speaker or plug-in headphones. It's easy to use. Fine-tune your DJ talent by playing along with a built-in music game. This is designed for ages 5 and up. It requires 4 AA batteries, which are included for demo purposes. What we like. This DJ mixer allows kids to create custom sound effects and mix their own music. It connects via Bluetooth, and has a built-in music game to help fine-tune their DJ talent. If you are looking for a toy that fosters creativity and musical exploration, you should consider this. What people say. The pads trigger cool sound effects and loops, and there's surprisingly clever music mixing capability for its size. Built-in tracks, voice effects, DJ loops, and even sample phrases make every session feel like a real gig. It promotes rhythm, pattern recognition, creativity, and confidence, all through play. Number 2. Flooyes Dance Mat, Light Up, Wireless, Bluetooth. This dance mat features a 6-button design with flashing arrows. It's perfect for improving coordination and encouraging movement. It's a fun way for kids to exercise and show off their dance moves. The mat offers 5 different game modes to keep kids entertained. They can dance to the rhythm, play memory games, and even drum along. It's a dance game that girls will love. Connect via Bluetooth to play your favorite music. The mat also includes built-in melodies in 3 languages. This allows them to enjoy hours of dancing fun. Made from soft, non-woven fabric with anti-slip stripes. It's easy to clean and has passed safety tests. Kids can use it with confidence. Looking for a great gift? This musical dance mat is a perfect choice for birthdays or Christmas. Give them a fun and comfortable dancing experience. It's suitable for girls aged 6 and up. What we like. This dance mat features a light-up 6-button design and multiple game modes, providing a fun and interactive experience. It also offers Bluetooth connectivity for playing your favorite tracks. If you have a child who loves to dance and enjoys interactive games, you should consider this. What people say. The mat is very durable as she jumps up and down on it like it is made of metal. The music played sounds good for the entertainment and excitement for kids. If you have a dance-driven grandchild, this is the present for them. Number 1. Smartivity Music Machine STEM Building Kit. Introducing the Smartivity Music Machine. This amazing kit lets kids build their own xylophone and create music. It's a fun way to learn about science and engineering. After assembling the machine, insert the included music sheets. Or, create your own songs. It's a fantastic way to explore music and creativity. The kit includes everything needed: wooden sheets, bands, sound plates, and more. It comes with detailed instructions, making the building process easy. Made from safe, non-toxic, engineered wood, this machine is built to last. It's designed for kids ages 8 and up, providing hours of entertainment. No glue or tools are required for assembly. This makes it simple to put together and start playing. The whole process is designed to be engaging and educational. What we like. This music machine allows kids to build their own xylophone and create music. It's a great STEM toy, fostering creativity and engineering skills. If you like a hands-on, educational toy that combines music and building, you should consider this. What people say. The piano has a nice sound. The microphone is a great addition. The keyboard is a great size for kids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.